Hello there. So today I want to talk more about power. Yesterday I was speaking about how the left is for power and the right is for order. Now, the truth of the matter is both sides need to be for power. In general, in life, a lot of times, especially with politics, people miss human nature. They don't really I don't know how much people are well educated in understanding how nature is, how people naturally are, how they function, what's going on with things. People at war, people fighting. What are they doing? They're essentially trying to take power over the other person. If you're at odds with the other person, you need to find a way to overpower them. That's what you have to do and take charge. That's what both sides need to be doing in any war scenario. And a lot of people on the right, they're agnostic, they're confused. I mean politically, not religiously. There's a lot of confusion going on. A lot of people talking with certainty on the right, but I find that there's more people on the left that are actually they speak with more power and certainty and are more cruel and will actually do more to actually be certain for what they're for. And a lot of people just get on that. Where the people on the right, they lack backbone, they lack whatever it is. But something that I think everyone on the right is missing, or a lot of people on the right are missing, they understand that there's less power, I think. They understand that people on the right, they lack backbone and they're more weak. But I think what they're missing is that why and what's going on with this. Um, what's really happening here is I think the people on the right, they're trying to forward this idea of freedom, which essentially means leave me alone, I leave you alone, and we just need to fight for that. But that's not really enough. I think you need to actually have something more to fight for. And I was speaking yesterday about order. To fight for an ordered society is fighting for a free society. You just need to make clear what that is. And when there's a lot of confusion going on what even morality is as we have in our society, and this is both on the left and the right, this confusion, then you're going to have trouble fighting for a free society without anything sustainable to grab onto. There's nothing there. There's nothing of substance. It's all just in the air, in the ether, just some theory. And I think at the end of the day, as John Adams said, this constitution is made for a moral and a religious people that is forwarding this idea of a society that's moral and religious for freedom. That's what it takes to have a free society. Is to focus for an ordered society. Like I said yesterday, we should change the word from moral to ordered, and we should actually try to fight for that and have that power and take power from there. Have that as like our thing to go for. We want order. You guys want disorder. We want order. You want chaos. We want morality. Whatever it is. But at the end of the day, this is in my view what I think we need to do for it. We need to actually fight for order. We're not going to fight for order. We're not going to fight for something sustainable. Fighting for freedom is too vague because there's so much stuff underlining that under that that's just like, well, we have different definitions of what freedom even means. There's nothing there. When you talk about something like order, the question is how do you get to an ordered society? How do you get an ordered culture going on? What's going on to actually make things work? And from there we can actually press forward and actually be for something and say this is the thing we want to take power over, we want to take charge of, we want to outdo you want your thing of power, this is our thing of power, and we're going to fight for that thing, and we need to actually come to terms of what that is. A big problem is I think with morality just got butchered. The meaning of it is like people say the word subjective morality, which is completely an oxymoron and all that stuff, and they're fighting for things in the ether that don't even exist. No one's fighting for freedom essentially now. And now everyone's just fighting for how to rule over this country, whether it's from an ordered moral society from the right or a disordered dictatorship from the left that has no basis in morality whatsoever. It's just secularism, which has no morality within it. Anyhow, that's all I got for that. All the best, and thanks for watching.